here. Happy Halloween! Just like we did last year, we're going to try one of the Walmart cookie kits. And this time we are doing bats. And this is a cutout, a roll-out cutout cookie. Basically, that's what it is. So we'll be making up the dough, rolling it out, and cutting us up some bats and decorating them. And you know how I do on decorating, so we'll see where that goes. What you're going to need, as it actually says specifically, 1 package of Great Value Midnight Bat cookie kit, 4 tablespoons of Great Value butter, unsalted, 1 Great Value egg, and some Great Value parchment paper. We are not sponsored by Great Value or Walmart. This is just what we happen to have and what it says on the box. Obviously, you can use whatever brands you want. This will have to be Great Value because it is. It's just what we have, and it's probably what a lot of you have right now thanks to the prices increase lately. Alright, oven preheated to 350. We've got our cookie sheet here. We're going to put parchment paper on. And the first thing, I assume, is going to be mixing this up. So yes, combine cookie mix, butter, and egg until well blended. And then we're going to be rolling it out so we don't have to chill it afterwards. So that's good. Especially since it says chill it later when we put the frosting on it. But let's see, we have bat cookie cutter, which is of course reusable. Purple cookie icing. Black icing. Cookie mix. Box. I'll just sit right back over there.
You might need a fork too.
Yeah, probably. And we're just going to fork this like I would with brownies.
That's mine.
Just trying to get all the powder to one side. Kitchen scissors. And now it's falling down. Yeah, still going to get it everywhere. Don't need chocolate powder all over
Put it to the side and we'll wash it later.
Okay. I am a kitchen poltergeist. I will get a mess everywhere. Butter. Which if you want, you can cut up into smaller pieces to make it a little easier to blend in.
It's got to be room temperature.
Yes, it has to be room temperature. Otherwise, you're going to have a good time with this. Basically, well, here, let's make some of that egg in there. Maybe. It doesn't want to break. There it goes. There we go. Now, on a lightly floured surface, we are going to roll out the cookie dough to 3/16 of an inch.
I'll go get my ruler.
Yeah.
Let's see how long 3/16 of an inch is. Okay, see if you can figure this out. See, it's a little, it's somewhere between here and there.
Lovely.
Yeah, just under 1/4 of an inch.
Alrighty then. I'll be sure to get it
Exactly.
right on.
3/16 of an inch.
Wow. I guess I could have left the glove on, but yeah. It is very sticky.
I imagine so.
Hence the floured surface.
Of course, they said lightly flowered, not.
Well,
I think we'll need any more flour. You're supposed to be able to get 8 cookies out of that. We'll probably end up having to use spatula. to
it
get
does say
off.
actually that you can roll out again, of course.
Yeah. Roll out your leftovers, yeah.
Hands looked.
Okay.
So there you are. There's them all cut out. Now I disagree with Walmart about what lightly floured mean
Yeah.
and about how thick they should be. I'd say at least 1/4 of an inch, wouldn't you, Mom?
Yeah, probably.
But hey, maybe I'm just measuring wrong. You saw how they were. Make them at least a little thick, or they're gonna stick to the counter. If you're having problems, roll them out thicker. Put a little bit extra flour down. If they're spotted white when you take them out, who cares? You're gonna be icing them anyway. So we're gonna stick them in the oven. I believe it said about 12 minutes.
Put it in for 10 first because
12 to
some of them are
15
little
minutes.
10. So put them in for 12. That's
Okay.
fine.
And once they're done, take them out for a minute and put them on a baking sheet or baking rack. Okie dokies. Once they're nice and cool, because like I said, when they're done, take them out of the oven, let them sit for a minute or so, then take them and put them on a rack until they're completely cool. Now we're gonna take them and frost them. See how we can do about this. Comes with the frosting packet. Try to draw an outside to it and fill it in. Oh.
You know what you should have done?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, never mind. It shows the purple underneath the black, so never
Yeah.
mind.
I think usually when flooding a cookie, you would have a bit of a bigger nozzle.
You can make it bigger if you want.
Trying to pick out some of the best ones to frost here.
Yeah.
We got the purple frosting on them, and we put them in the fridge for about 5 minutes. So it just sets up a little bit. You take the black now, then the tip off of it, and decorate. First thing I'm going to do is give them some little eyeballs. Maybe. Come on now.
Careful. There you go.
There it goes. Yeah, my hands just don't like to work.
Mouth with some fangs.
That thing isn't very sharp.
Okay.
Alrighty, so this is what we've got. The frosting, the black icing is kind of old. So if you're gonna do this kit, I would suggest you probably grab an extra one from the cake decorating section, or not do this kit. It's up to you. definitely think that the jack-o'-lantern sandwich cookies, those were fantastic.
Yeah.
So, if you see that one, you should grab that one. These could be really cute, but that black frosting was just a bit of a pain. Everything else seemed to work out okay. The purple frosting flooded really nicely, so that was a surprise. I mean, the flavor was kind of okay. Haven't had one with frosting on it yet. That might make it better. I'm still waiting for some of them to set and stuff. Probably not make them as thin as it says. But yeah, if the black frosting had not been old, I would actually say this one was really good. So
I don't know if it was technically old or what. It shouldn't have been. What with the date on the box?
yeah, I know.
It was thick.
It was
a lot
all
thicker
dry
than
and
it should have
weird.
been, yeah.
So that's it for this time. Let me know if you try it. Let me know if you have a better experience with it than I did. And what else you'd like to see me try. We've got a lot of holiday stuff coming up soon. Yeah, until next time, this is Evil Black Cat wishing you love, luck, and legendaries. Later.